If you're the host of an Airbnb, then you know how time-consuming cleaning up after your guests can be. Should you continue doing this yourself or outsourcing the cleaning to the professionals? That big question gets answered in this video, so stay tuned and take notes. Hi everyone, before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. As we release more information, cleaning hacks, and tips, you'll be the first to know. DIY cleaning pros. The most important aspect of renting out a property on Airbnb is providing your guests with a first-class experience. This means that the standard of cleanliness in each room must be second to none. If you've just started out as an Airbnb host, you may prefer to do all the cleaning yourself at first. This is understandable, since if you're not paying someone to clean your Airbnb property, then this means more money in your pocket after each guest check-in. You also get to remain in control of the place, keeping to the privacy of the location. One other positive is that you can satisfy your OCD tendencies and clean to your own standard. But as the number of bookings increases, so will the amount of time you need to spend cleaning and turning over the unit to get ready for the next guest. DIY cleaning cons. First, you're wasting time that could be spent on making more money. Most people sign up with an Airbnb to be a host, not to also become a full-time cleaner. You could instead be dedicating this extra time to doing something you love, or even marketing your business more. Another negative is that the more time you spend on cleaning an Airbnb property, the less time it's available to be booked out by a guest. You'll probably take a lot longer than a pro, so that means you're missing out on getting more people booking. There are other cons, including having to take on a lot more responsibility and, quite frankly, the annoyance of having to get dirty. Hiring cleaner pros. Once you make the decision to switch over to a professional cleaning service, you may find yourself asking why you didn't do so sooner. For starters, you'll get peace of mind because your standards are met each time. You'll also have reliability, as most professional cleaning services have a rotating set of staff who are always available whenever you need them. There's no need to panic when a room needs to be cleaned and turned around at the last minute. This professionalism also means there's excellent communication, and the level of cleanliness is right up there with top-notch hospitality standards. Finally, you'll develop great relationships with these cleaners, meaning you can trust their work, respect for your privacy, and dependability. Perhaps the best benefit of hiring cleaners is that you can build the cost of the cleaning into the listing. This lets you benefit from professional cleaning without spending money out of your pocket each time you need it cleaned, or without having to add an additional cleaning fee to your listing. It's already baked in the nightly rate. Hiring cleaner cons. While there aren't many downsides to hiring a professional cleaning service for your Airbnb, there are obvious considerations, such as that it may take you some time to find the perfect cleaner or suit your level of cleanliness standards. You also end up having more overhead because you're outsourcing the cleaning. This means you'll make a little less, but then again, you'll have to measure it up against whether it would take you a long time that would prevent booking. If you choose to outsource your cleaning, 360 Precision Cleaning is your trusted go-to. We help clean over 200 units throughout the Phoenix, Scottsdale, and Tempe areas. We'd love to have you on board with our top rating cleaning services. So give us a call or check out our full range of services on our site today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.